সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, কেমন আছো তোমরা? ক্লাস 5 প্যারাগ্রাফ লেজার টাইম এখন আমরা পড়ব। যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে আমার চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে আমার পাশে থাকবে। লেজার টাইম. Leisure is very important in human life. Leisure refers to the time when people are free from their regular work. There are many ways to spend our leisure time. We can choose a good hobby to spend our leisure time in life. Some people go on picnic to spend their leisure time. Some meet their friends and relatives to make their leisure time more exciting and enjoyable. Village people spend leisure time by playing games. City people visit parks and zoo to spend their leisure time. তোমাদের সুবিধার জন্য আমি আরও একটা লেজার টাইম দিয়ে দিচ্ছি, যেটা ভালো লাগবে সেটা তোমরা অবশ্যই নোট করে নিবে। Leisure means the time free from routine work or other routine activities. It also means happy activities usually done during leisure. It is different from routine work in the sense that one can spend leisure by the way of doing anything voluntarily, while one needs to do routine work obligatorily. Leisure benefits us in many ways. It provides us with the opportunities of rest and recreation. It helps us to get rid of our monotony and makes us feel refreshed to do our routine work with renewed energy. However, leisure activities differ from person to person and country to country. Usually, village people spend their leisure by gossip.